and welcome back to Krafts by Katelyn. In today's video, I want to bring you along as I decorate my kitchen for Christmas. I'm so excited about this year's Christmas decor. I did go with a lot of rustic farmhouse type of decor, and that was kind of my theme with all of my DIYs and crafts this time, as well as everything that I purchased in the store. I do have a smaller corner kitchen, so I don't have a ton of space to decorate, but I do like to incorporate as many decorations as I can so that it just screams Christmas. I will do my best to try to link all the videos of any DIYs or crafts that you see in today's video, and I will try to remember where I bought everything. A lot of my decor is new this year. I just picked up some decor from just out shopping, so I will try to remember to show you how much that costed and where it came from. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd let me know in the comments below what's your favorite decor piece that I used today. So let's get started.
So before I added any Christmas decor, I just kind of wanted to go through and show you all what my kitchen looked like. I've already wiped it down a little bit and then took down all of my farmhouse decor, so I wanted it to be like a blank canvas as much as possible. We did just paint our walls and these cabinets white, along with putting down a new floor, so I was excited for these small little renovations. It makes a huge difference. I also got a new dishwasher. This is all the stuff I kind of laid out what I want to use. Some of them are my DIY crafts and some of them are the new decor that I have purchased this year. To be such a smaller kitchen, I did have this little shelving area behind the sink, and it has a mirror, and then I have those two glass cabinets above where I will be able to display some more decor. The only thing with having that mirror above the sink is the fact that water does splash and stuff, so it does seem to get dirty quite quickly. I haven't gotten to clean these really nice with glass cleaners since we have painted, so you can definitely tell how dirty they are. I'm sure I just used water. But I bought some new plates, so I'm super excited to get to display them inside these cabinets. So I did not want to decorate on top of a dirty kitchen, so I went ahead and wiped down my countertops as well as wiped down my appliances. The first thing I'm going to be using is some of this 9-foot pre-lit garland that I picked up for $9.97 from Walmart. I originally went to get the flocked kind and they were out, but I was so happy with the dark green. I think I like it a lot better on top of my white cabinets. So you will have to ignore my ugly walls we just painted. I still need to get my crown molding put up there, but I just set this garland on top of my counters. It seemed to stay really nicely, but I need to find a way to secure it up there. And then I was able just to spread out the little branches and make sure that the lights were showing in the front. So I ended up using 3 of these 9-foot garlands. I used 2 and then I just needed a tiny bit, but there was no way to make it work without purchasing a whole nother one. I'm not sure if I wanted to decorate these any or add any ribbons or pine cones. I'm still debating that, but my kitchen ended up being so full and colorful that I didn't feel like it needed to be decorated. Who else agrees with me that this is the worst part of putting up a Christmas tree or adding garland? I hate setting and fluffing it, and it takes so long and it feels like my arms are just breaking. I picked up that curtain valance at Walmart. It was around $11 or $12. I love the gray and white buffalo check. I think it's super cute this year. I also bought just some white and gray buffalo check fabric to wrap around my dining room tree as a tree skirt this year. I really love buying Christmas hand towels or any kind of seasonal hand towel when I'm out because I hang those from my dishwasher as well as my oven, but I think it adds a perfect pop of color, although I do tell everybody not to use the decorated ones, to always make sure you get a new one. The red plaid one came from Dollar General, and then this gorgeous little red truck one came from Joann's. I just went there over the weekend and all their stuff was 50 to 70% off, so I think I picked this up for around $4.50. I wanted to show you all how huge of a difference that it made just adding the garland on top. I think it looks really good and I'm so happy with it. And it's something that is plain, so like next year if I want to decorate different, I can always add in ribbon or decor on there. I picked up this little cookie jar last year from Walmart. They do have more this year. When I was in there the other day, I did see some more. I knew for these little cabinets above my sink I wanted some super cute little dishes. I found a couple with these trees on there, these flocked trees with the little bunny, and I thought these were super cute with the red berries. I have a lot of red in my kitchen, so this is something that we'll incorporate with the other plates. I did find those up front in the seasonal section. They did come from Walmart. And then I didn't see any plain plates, so I did have to go back to just where the houseware is, and I picked up a couple of just plain red plates. I thought these would coordinate really nicely with the little decorative plates. I'm just going to set those up with these old little clear plate stands that I've had forever. I wanted these to be a set, so I did look through the mugs, but I also found these up front, but I thought these were so cute. They almost look like Ray Dunn inspired, but they just say fa la la latte, and I think they are so cute. They've got the little spoon and the red ribbon, and I'm just going to leave the little red ribbon tied on there. After I'd placed them in there, I didn't like how you couldn't see the cup or read what it said, and you couldn't see the bottom of the tree, so I did scoot those over, and I took just some of the kids' books, just temporarily. I will get them out after Christmas, and put those on there just to elevate it so you will be able to see it out of the glass better. So I love how these dishes looked when they're all closed up in the cabinet, and for them not to actually go together, I think they coordinate very well. And then I already had this setting there, which I had removed it to clean my kitchen, but I just filmed this DIY Dollar Tree 2-tiered serving tray, so if you haven't already checked that out, go check it out. It was really fun to make, and really neat how you can take like Dollar Tree gift bags to make little framed photos to incorporate into your decor. For the little mirrored shelf above my sink, I wanted to add these little DIY lanterns I made with Dollar Tree items, and then the little Walmart ornaments. So I'll also link that video down below if you want to go check that out. I love these. I think it adds so much rustic charm into my kitchen. And then I bought these little red lanterns from Walmart. I know that I said I wasn't going to put these red lanterns together because they didn't match, but I thought it was fine, or I might end up taking one of them back or pick up another one if I do see another deer one. But with them setting together, I thought it looked really good. And then one of my favorite things I've got this year are these little wood deer that I picked up from Kirkland's. They're actually made out of a very light foam, and they don't feel very sturdy for $12.99, but I just love them so much, and I thought they were super cute, and they just scream woodsy Christmas to me. I knew that I did want to set them up really high as well because I have little kids, and I know these wouldn't last 2 seconds if my 2-year-old got her hands on these. And the small one was $7.99, I forgot to say that. But this just gets me so excited, putting all of my decor together with things that I've made, along with things that I've purchased, and my favorite Christmas items. I just love it, and it gets me so excited for Christmas. I purchased this little ceramic loaf pan from Michael's for only $2. I thought it added the perfect little pop of red color. I wanted it to have a tiny bit of a little bit of a bakery look above the microwave, and I also picked up these little speckled red measuring spoons from Kirkland's too. I did see after I got it home it had a little chip on there, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to return that or not. I don't have my receipt. And then I picked up for $9.99 these super cute little measuring cups. I think these are really pretty. They are ceramic with the same little white speckle too. There is a little ledge on the oven hood, so I ended up putting this cute little red rustic sign. I picked this up at Walmart for around $5, along with that little Dollar Tree sled that I repurposed. I absolutely love that little red truck on everything this year. I'm sure you can tell. But at Big Lots, they had these $6 candles, and my husband made fun of me for buying this candle because it had the little red truck on there. He's like, I could print you off a sticker and put it on any candle, but I just thought it was really cute. Big Lots candles I don't think smell the best, but it is still fun to get. I also put up my little DIY Dollar Tree wall hanging Christmas that I just put on my channel, and then I've had this for years and years and years, so it's just kind of tradition to hang this up above the stove and tell how many days are left to Christmas. I have showed this in a haul video, but I picked up the little red truck salt and pepper shaker from Dollar General, and I think it was $2. And then for this little milk can I repurposed from a Dollar Tree fall item, I think it would still incorporate some of the farmhouse decor along with adding some Christmas. They have these little picks these large picks at Walmart for $3. I love how it's got the cotton with the pine cones and the berries in there. I think these are perfect and add a pop of color. And I did think for $3, nice size, and it had some really good floral in there. Just because I already had it in the milk can, I just went ahead and used some of this 97-cent sparkly greenery in the back of that. I also got this really cute Joy, Hope, Believe sign from Dollar General, and I love how it has the red and black buffalo check. I picked up this cute little green tree from Target. I think it was $3 in the Target dollar spot. I think it is so cute, and I love the little burlap bag around the bottom. I know this corner really does kind of get piled up with just stuff. It's kind of where we collect our mail and items, so I didn't want to put a lot here because I want to try to get an organizer, but I used that little dark metal house that I picked up from Walmart. It was around $6, and then that cute little cookies for Santa tray is new from Walmart as well, and it was around $3, I think. I'm going to be putting my little Snowman Craft there. He is missing his LED candle. I'm sure one of the girls have took that out somewhere, so I'll have to go find that. These beautiful little red and black buffalo check presents came from Walmart in the ornament section. And then I picked up this little red truck hand towel for $1 from Dollar General. Also from Dollar General, I stacked a couple of their just little cheap Christmas rugs on top of each other just to give it more of a little homey look. But this is what it's looking like after I got it all put together. I absolutely love it, and to be such a smaller, older home, I feel like this just brightens it up and makes it look so fun and like family Christmassy. I don't know, I just love it. So let me know in the comments below which decor piece was your favorite, or if you've made any of my crafts that you have seen in this video today. But I had so much fun filming this video. I have not put a video like this on my channel before, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. I love how it feels being home in the evening and just having clear lights lit up in your house. It makes it so cozy and just so fun.
So I had so much fun bringing you along today and showing you how I decorate my kitchen. Sorry for the bad lighting, it did get dark on me, but I did still get to finish, and so I hope it turns out great. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If there's something that you decorate your kitchen with that I missed, please let me know in the comments below. But truly thank you all so much for watching. Bye!